Okay, tonight we are going to make another demonstration of optics using 3 lasers. And we have a set of several optical elements, actually 8 optical elements. So I'll put the optical elements on the path of the ray, on the rays also, and see what will happen to examine simple optics. So I have all 8 elements, we will test them, but first I will switch off the light. Okay, we are ready. I'll turn 3 of the lasers. Actually, I'll turn only 2 of the lasers initially. So this one in the middle I'm not turning on. And I'll start with the simple possible case of double concave lens. So the lasers go parallel to the optical axis, then they go to the focus. Another one. It's again double concave, but it's with a small focus. So let's try. Again, parallel lights actually intersect after the lens in the focus. Now, this one, after the lights come out of the lens, their continuation across the focus. It's a parallel. This is parallelepiped. The light doesn't change. If I put it only for the one ray, you can see the light follow the path, but it's shifted a little bit. You can see the shift. But if it's perpendicular, then it's not shifted. Okay, I'll put a prism to see what happens with the prism. Okay, they are symmetric. What is up should be equal to what is down. So they intersect over here. Turn it around and play around it. Okay, I can put it in this side, but I can put it in the opposite side. So one side is part of a sphere, the other is just a plane. Okay, can make it more harder. Put 3 lasers, and then it's more difficult to align them, but it's okay. So I make them parallel to each other and to the focal axis, so they intersect in the focus. Now the continuation actually intersect in the focus. Put this lens. Again, this doesn't change anything, the parallelepiped. Okay, I'll put the middle one in the edge, the peak of the prism. Then that's what happens in the middle. That's dispersion. It's diverge. Okay, again this diverge, continuation, go to the focus. Now this is plane with the circle on the other side. So 3 laser beams come to the focus. Okay, if you like the videos, you can give a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and see you again. Bye.